The sea is full of wonders. Big whales swim in deep water. Colorful coral reefs glow in the sunlight. But some of the most amazing creatures are very, very small. These are the microscopic fish, too tiny to see without a microscope. These tiny fish live in a world hidden from our eyes. They are a secret universe, teeming with life. Imagine a world smaller than a drop of water. This is where these fish are found. Learning about these fish helps us understand the ocean better. They are an important part of the food chain, and they remind us that even the smallest creatures can be amazing. Many kinds of fish live their lives as microscopic creatures. Some are small for their whole lives, others are babies or larvae of bigger fish. Being so small means facing big challenges. Water feels thicker to a tiny fish, like swimming in honey. They have special ways to move and find food. Their small size also helps them hide. They can live in spaces between grains of sand. This keeps them safe from predators. Studying something so small is difficult. Scientists use special tools to learn about microscopic fish. Nets with very fine mesh can catch them. Microscopes let us see their bodies in detail. We can study their fins, their eyes, and their internal organs. Underwater cameras help us watch how they behave in their natural environment. Scientists are always learning new things about these tiny fish. Though small, these fish play a big role in the ocean. They are food for bigger animals like other fish and crustaceans. They also help control populations of even smaller creatures like plankton. This keeps the ocean ecosystem in balance. Microscopic fish remind us that all creatures are connected. Even the smallest life forms are important. Their world is a reminder of the beauty and complexity of nature.